Dude, that is one bad mamma jamma. I was sitting here fishing and I was wondering what the hell that was. That's a fish with a fucking catfish. Not a fish with a catfish, a snake with a catfish. Holy shit. That old catfish is struggling. Iris, come on. You don't need no fucking part of that. Come on. That dude is the fucking goat, though. Damn. Tough life to be a catfish today. So I ain't done an update in a while. I had some stuff going on, but here's the front. All my zinnias are doing really well. So here's an update video. All my zinnias are doing really well. The sunflowers are all doing good. Mums doing great. These are some white tomatoes, I believe. More white tomatoes. Oh, dang. The hose is leaking. That's not good. Well, that's purple basil. More white tomatoes. I'm really hoping that the weather doesn't affect these. We'll see though. And then purple basil. I took out all the other pepper plants I had in here. But 3 different purple basils.